Hey Karina, how are you? Troy Brown here with TLC Web Marketing, and I thought I'd get this video off to you as promised and take a look at your website and share with you the top 3 things that Google weighs most heavily when ranking a website on the first page and kind of some of those parameters. So the 3 things are content, backlinks, and citations. So content is king, and we look here at your face page or your home page. Let's double check that we're on the home page. Okay, so this is a very short page. Believe it or not, Google likes to see 1,500 words on this home page. Okay, and that is what gives it credibility and really makes it visible in the eyes of Google, so they make it visible to others. The other thing that actually counts on content that a lot of folks don't understand is if you look in Save Link As, this title and then the tags here, this just says download one. We can actually put keywords and services into these titles and tags for all the images. Okay, so that'd be the first thing is you've got just a little bit. I would add 1,500 words to this home page and break out description of commercial, custom exterior, custom interior, and the different services that you have. Also maybe a description of the company, that kind of thing. So I took a look at the competition, Colorado Springs, for you. And so if we search Stucco Repair Colorado Springs, that actually has more search volume than Stucco Contractors Colorado Springs, Stucco Colorado Springs. So this is actually the highest search volume, which is what you want to be. You want to be ranking your company for these keywords right here because it has the most search, and then go down from there. So a couple things interesting. This is called the map pack. So you got your top 3 in the map pack. So this is a Google My Business account. You may have a GMB for your company, and so a GMB or a Google My Business account really establishes the first and best citation, which is the third thing I was going to talk about today. So citation is very simple. It is the name, address, phone number of the business. Some don't have a address in here, some just say Colorado Springs, but those 3 pieces of information, Google looks at how many times that appears outside of your website and out of your area. So that's something that we do for our clients, and it's a question of optimization and making posts and putting pictures up and that kind of thing. But that would be the first thing would be to get a GMB account and then get it optimized. So I went with the top 3 results here for Stucco Repair Colorado Springs. I actually have almost exact match Colorado Springs Stucco Repair. Okay, Confident Coatings, and there's Home Advisor directory, Yelp directory, then Love Your Stucco. Okay, and then you got Greg Unseth Painting, that's in 4th position. So those are your top 3 competitors. Now, if I take the top 3 competitors and I put them in this little tool over here and talk about backlinks. So I took all 3 of the competitors in your website, threw it in this tool called Ahrefs. What it does is it shows us right here exactly what's going on with the website plus some other stuff here. But this is important. The UR at 25 UR is the popularity of this website, and this DR is the strength of the website. Kind of unusual to have those numbers be the same. There's usually a little more popularity than there is strength to the website. And that actually directly relates to backlinks and organic keywords. So you see that this site is in the number 1 position, evenly balanced here, 353 backlinks with 45 keywords from just 38 domains. So look at this next one. Number 2 position is Confident Coatings. Interesting, they have popularity almost exactly with the other one, but look at the strength of the website is really, really low. So that tells me that these backlinks are weak backlinks, and that the keywords here may not be as relevant as they need to be to power this. Something I noticed is that these 2 websites actually, this website right here and this number 2 position, they're actually related. I think this is a lead generation site because when I went to the bottom, in partnership with Confident Coatings and Exteriors. License number, that's this company, Confident Coatings. So this is actually, they're in the number 1 and number 2 position because they own this website too. So going to number 3, which is Love Your Stucco. 18 DR, 17 or 18 UR, 17 DR with 75 backlinks, 442 organic keywords. So they've really boosted up almost 4 times and 10 times here. So even though they're in the number 3 position, they have a bunch of organic keywords and just 75 backlinks. Pretty good strength here. So Love Your Stucco is pretty good in the 3rd position, however. And then here is yours. Quality Stucco and Stone. So 6 on the UR, 3.2 on the DR. So we need to strengthen both of these numbers. And how we do it is we need to add probably about 200 backlinks. You can add 200 backlinks. And then just to be competitive, you have 442, 123, 45. So, I'd add another 100 keywords along with your backlinks. And that'll boost both of these numbers right here, but they should be relevant backlinks. No spammy stuff, and nothing with a 0 UR and a 0 DR. So I hope that all helps, my friend. That covers content. Need about 1,200 words. You've got your backlinks. Need to add about 100 of those along with about 100 keywords. And then the GMB, if you want to establish a GMB and use your name, address, phone number, you can throw that up in directories, blog posts, whatever you want. So hope this was helpful. If there's anything I can do to answer any questions on this at all, Karina, feel free to let me know, and we'll talk to you later.